If you're experiencing billing issues with Uber, it's important to address them promptly to ensure a smooth experience. Follow these steps to resolve any billing problems effectively. Step 1. Check your payment method. Review the payment method linked to your Uber account. Make sure it is valid and has sufficient funds. If necessary, update your payment information in the app. Step 2. Review trip receipts. Open the Uber app and navigate to your trip history. Check the receipts for any discrepancies, such as incorrect charges or unexpected fees. This will help you identify the specific issue. Step 3. Contact Uber support. If you find an error, go to the help section in the app. Select the relevant trip and choose the option to report a billing issue. Provide detailed information about the problem for quicker resolution. Step 4. Monitor your email. After submitting your issue, keep an eye on your email for any responses from Uber support. They may require additional information or provide updates on the status of your billing inquiry. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up through the app or via social media. Persistence can help ensure your issue is addressed promptly. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing problems with Uber. If issues persist, consider reaching out to customer service through other channels for further assistance.